Now, hey Mike, if I have an expense report for a new mall, next month's report.
I think we can cover that.
Yeah.
Those kids are laughing. Good, yeah.
Good job.
That's stuck.
Something Russian, Scott. He's not even.
You didn't even get to see anything. The homeowner didn't do half of his list. They didn't cut the grass.
And that's it. He yelled at you across the street. Park here, lady.